Starting your Inuka business is as easy as 1, 2, 3. The Inuka business opportunity requires no registration cost or major investment other than buying samples of the product and your choice of an Inuka kit, also known as a business kit. Choose a once-off business kit that's right for you. There are 5 kits to choose from that offers exceptional value. Your business kit will include a variety of our top-selling products that you can sell and reinvest in your business. Fast-track your success when you invest in the Senior Kit and immediately start your business on Senior Member status, which will allow you to purchase products at established member wholesale prices, which is on average 10% less than new member wholesale prices. When investing in a Senior Kit, you will receive a bonus of 22 extra product samples, the Inuka sample bag, the luxury color stay nail chart, and a multi-purpose deluxe organizer, all valued at 1,230 Rand as your kit purchase incentive. Your kit will also include the Inuka Business in a Box tool pack that holds business tools you'll need to launch your new Inuka business, like your business guide, some product samples, your kit bag, brochures, order forms, registration forms, business cards, and much more. Complete your Inuka registration. Submit this together with the proof of payment to orders@inuka.co.za or register online at inuka.co.za. Use your cell phone number as reference when making your deposit. You are ready to start your Inuka business. Review the Inuka Business Guide that will be included in your business kit, explaining the business terminology and compensation plan. At Inuka, we value, encourage, and empower the lives we touch. Inuka, with its network marketing structure, offers individuals the opportunity to share in the income and profits associated with sales volume. Our vision is to create a platform for anyone seeking to obtain financial independence to supplement, replace, or exceed their current income, embracing the part-time salesperson and the more serious career builder. With Inuka, anyone can start their own business and share in our top-quality products, rewarding earnings and compensation plan. Inuka offers 6 ways to earn and benefit. Our compensation plan rewards our business entrepreneurs for selling products and for promoting the Inuka business opportunity. You will earn immediate retail profit every time you sell a product. The Inuka wholesale price is exceptionally affordable to enable you to easily earn up to 50% immediate retail profit. Our products are affordable and are happy and easy to sell to make it possible for all to enjoy a lasting fragrance experience. Create an everyday income with your retail profit to spoil your family with luxuries, buy airtime and data, healthy family dinners, and family weekend breakaways. Once-off fast progress leadership cash rebates ranging between 1,000 and 200,000 Rand are given to members who achieve Pearl leadership status and beyond within a certain period. Pamper yourself. Buy luxury items to use in or around your house or reinvest back into your business to earn more profit. On the 20th of every month, Inuka pays monthly cash volume rebates up to 16% on personal PV and group PV 4 levels deep, depending on you and your group's monthly productivity. This can become your reliable source of regular income towards your monthly grocery expenses, tuition for your children, electricity bill, cell phone contract, and much more. You can also earn an extra 3,000 to 600,000 Rand every quarter. In addition to monthly payouts, Inuka rewards members with quarterly maintenance rebates for maintaining Emerald status and beyond for all 3 months in any Inuka quarter. This is your lifestyle bonus program to use towards your dream car and dream home. To salute hardworking business leaders, Inuka gives annual and quarterly cash rebates to members who achieve set challenges as well as the top performing leaders and newcomers. With these rewards, together with your monthly volume rebates and quarterly maintenance rebates, you can plan and work to become an Inuka millionaire. Another way to benefit is with the Inuka Car Reward Program. Dream it, earn it, own it. All cars earned at Inuka are registered in your name and will become your personal property. We know that being an entrepreneur takes planning and perseverance. For this reason, we have a dedicated help desk with experienced and passionate consultants to share in your goals and encourage you in every step towards building your sustainable business. Inuka exists to make a positive impact on the lives we touch. Not only do we want to walk a journey with people to create a reliable, consistent and growing income, but we also care about the person you become on this journey. Be part of a journey where we encourage personal growth and where you can embrace many adventures on your way. Visit inuka.co.za and our YouTube channel to read and watch our success stories.